How to check the software build number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on about phone. So after click on about phone, scroll down and click on software information. So after click on software information, click on build number. So if you want to check build number, so you will see build number is here. So after check build number, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check the software build number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.